Hi, today we create his. Now get start. Okay, delete all and create a cylinder. Rotation x 19 and scale .35. Now we need a modifier. Bevel. 3 segment. Now soft surface and smooth. 3 and 3. Now click N, Ctrl A and apply all transformation. Now create another object, UV sphere, scale .5 and up Z1.5, shade smooth, and we need a new modifier, subdivide surface, both 3. Now we need to change the color to see what's going on. Z, wireframe, select half object, create new material, blue, assign one more, plus, Ctrl I, new material, assign. Let's see what we have. Not bad. We will do same with another object. Tab 1, select vertex point, key, enter, another side, repeat, key, enter, Z, 3, face, select half, we need assign material, plus, select color, assign, plus, another color, assign. Look very good. Now we keyframing object. Now change viewport, we better see what happened. Now click on object, press E, move timeline 100 and the location X -7, rotation Y -340 and click E. Now small object keyframing 2. Select keyframing 1, click E, location and rotation, select 100 keyframe and location -7 and rotation Y 375. Select both object and we need copy keyframe. Shift D, copy and move point to 200. Very good. His animation 200 keyframe long. Create empty cube, select object and last select empty, Ctrl P, object keep transform. See, look very good. Now create a cube, scale a little bit. move look like more scale. Done. Now select empty and cube CTRL-P object keep transform. Now if rotation cube anything move to. Now we need keyframing cube. Just look and repeat me. Now we get lighting. Open shade editor. Select world. Shift A. Environment texture. You found texture below. And color connect to color. Go to settings, film, transparent. Now create camera. Create cube new material and apply this. Select object, new modifier, bevel 3. Shade smooth. Object date properties, normal, auto smooth. If you want, your material has different. I use GPU and max sample 215 and use the noise. Very good things. 24 frame. Directory. Format PNG. That's it. This tutorial my first. If you like what I'm doing, like, subscribe and comment, and good luck!